Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Fon the Alchemist. We teach self-development techniques on this channel that is working for us and it's also working for our friends. Today we'll be talking about how you can turn your pain into purpose. Usually these pains might come from denial or some sort of a grief. So understand this. People who live in denial, which can lead into self-destruction, usually are suffering from some kind of grief or some kind of pain. Today we'll be talking how we can turn that pain into purpose and eventually help you improve yourself. So, as you all know, most of the time when you live in denial, it can lead into self-destruction. It could actually cause pain physically or emotionally. It can cause sickness in the skin, in your body, and you don't want that. We want to show you something that can help you improve both mentally, physically, and emotionally. So today we'll share top 3 ways that you can help to turn that pain into purpose that will eventually help you down the line. So without further notes, let's get right into number 1. So number 1, the first thing that usually when this happens is to confront the pain, confront the grief. Whatever it is you're struggling with, even if it's in the past, it's good to always look at the past because it helps. It's like a guide between now and the future. It helps you to, the past, we don't really need it, but you use it to help you as a guide in your now and your future, because you can learn from the past, right? You can learn from the past and use it as experience and use it as a leverage to help you better yourself. So confront the pain, confront the grief. You can't keep it, because when you keep hiding this grief or pain, all it does is it keep, biting you, keep eating you, and it's taking more from you. So confront it, find solution to it. Number 2, guys, we need to seek professional help. There's sometimes that we can't go on the internet looking, how can you do this, or just keep it within ourselves, or confide to somebody that we know. There are professionals who can help us when we're suffering with some kind of grief or pain. There are psychologists, there are all kinds of people, doctors who understand how the mind works. And this is something they've studied. They can help you. I guarantee there are so many successful people out there who've gone through some kind of trauma or emotional problem that they had to see a professional to help them maneuver this problem. So, hey, there's an option to seek a professional and you get help. There are so many tons of avenues today that you can seek help with. Number 3, we need to surround ourselves with positive people, people who speak life into us, people who affirm positivity. You need to surround yourself in such environment in your relationship, be it private, public, or your personal. Make sure you surround yourself with people who speak life into you, people who will be there to, kind of have your back and not the other way around. And so there you have it, my friends. The legend has been explained. These are top 3 ways that you can turn pain into purpose and eventually help you down the line to improve yourself. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, again, thanks for watching our videos. We really appreciate you. Please, if you find this content valuable, please give us a thumbs up, like, share it, comment down below. It helps with the algorithm. Again, if you're new to the channel, if you want to keep getting videos like this, subscribe to the channel and just hit the notification button. And until next time, I'm your boy, Fon the Alchemist. Have a blissful day.